I didn't add no oil sheen. I haven't added nothing. Like, this is the hair. So today's video will be an updated review on this ISHOW hair. I'm going to be like crimping, well, not really crimping because it's not really a crimp, but waving my hair with my beach waver and just telling you all the tea on this hair. So if you're interested in getting this hair and you want to know should you, make sure you keep on watching. Or hold up, if you want to see how to crimp your hair, you can watch this video too. So yeah, if you're interested in getting this hair and you want to learn how to crimp your hair, or you want to learn how to crimp your hair, either one, make sure you keep on watching. It's so hot. Sometimes having all these lights on, it just be so freaking hot. Like, oh. But I'm just about to get started. So we're going to be crimping this hair, and I'm going to be giving you guys an update on the hair, how I like it, pros, cons, all of that. I'm going to be doing pretty big sections because crimping can really take a long time. I got this hair from, well, this hair was sent to me from a company called ISHOW Hair. I'm gonna see how the crimps come out without me putting any product on, and then if they're not wavy enough, I have some holding spray right here, but hopefully I don't have to put no product on it. Like to hold each side, each part for like maybe like 10-15 seconds, and then move right under it. And I just want to wave. I don't want the hard crimp. Just a soft wave will do. Oh yeah, the hair is from ISHOW Hair. I originally had two 24 inches and a 22 inch and a 18 inch closure. I made the hair into a wig. That's what I'm wearing now. And the wig turned out really good. So if you want to know all the like specs like that on the hair, check out my first video I did, which was a initial unboxing of the hair, if you want to know, you know, the price and everything. But this is more so going to be a video on how the hair wears. Do I like the hair? Would I recommend the hair? So it's doing a pretty decent wave, so that's pretty good. So yeah, like I said, all that type of stuff will be on the first video. But I made the hair into a wig. I liked it. The first night when I made it into a wig, I put curls in it and I T-pinned it because I was going somewhere the next day, and I wanted these really, really pretty, like effortless curls, you know. So as I was doing the curls or whatever, the hair was curling really good. I was like, okay, like all that night, all I thought about was how pretty my wig was gonna be once I so this is the first crown. Once I took the T-pins out, I thought about that all night. So I was actually doing a like chit chat, get ready with me type video. So I took it out on camera, and as I took it out, it kind of caught me off guard because the curls, like once I took the pins out, they basically just like fell, and I was like, what? Y'all, it took me so long, and that night I remember being so freaking tired, and I was mad. So I learned right then and there, the hair does not hold curls, which I mean was kind of a disappointment to me, to be honest, because that's why I got body wave hair, because I wanted to curl it. So for it not to curl was kind of like a bummer. Well, it curls, but it doesn't hold like a curl, you know, as it should. So that was kind of a letdown. And I also noticed that night once I went out and I was like trying to take pictures and stuff, I noticed that the ends of the hair looked really, really thin, and I didn't like that either. So I was like, like I like the hair. The hair is pretty good. So I was like, I want to continue to wear the wig, and I just did all that to make the wig. So what I did was I ended up cutting the ends. Well, I cut a little more than the ends. I kind of did like a blunt cut, but like a long blunt cut. off the ends. And ever since then, I've, you know, the hair looks really healthy. It looks really good. I haven't been having a problem with the hair looking thin at all. So that's a plus. The hair is, it has flyaways, but flyaways aren't a bad thing. I mean, of course, you know, we wish the hair didn't have flyaways, but it doesn't mean that the hair isn't good. It doesn't mean that, you know, it doesn't mean nothing. It's flyaways, literally. It's just the presentation of the hair, and the hair could look much better if it didn't have flyaways, but that's not a super bad thing. But the hair is really affordable. I really want to say the 224s and a 22 with a 18-inch closure. I want to say it was like 128. If I'm wrong, I will correct myself. I will correct it while I'm editing the video. And all the links to the hair will be in the description bar as well. But I want to say it was about 128. And I feel like that is phenomenal for this hair. So if it was my own money and I was on the website, the internet, looking for hair, and I ran across this, I wouldn't be disappointed in my purchase. I would be disappointed that the hair didn't curl, but I wouldn't be disappointed in the hair because it's pretty good hair. It has normal shedding. It doesn't do like no extreme shedding. I remember back in the day, I haven't tried to color it, so I can't really tell you if it takes color and how it takes color. But what I can tell you is this closure is so good. If you're looking for a closure that knots bleach phenomenal, I mean the knots bleach so good on this freaking closure. Like, what closure, bitch? What closure? The knots did so good. The lace is thin. Like, this closure is it. Like, I really, really, really like the closure. And I'm confident that the hair will take bleach very well. I just haven't tried it. Like, if I was to dye the hair any color, it would be black. So, I'm sorry, I'm back. My dogs had started to bark, so I had to leave off camera for a little bit. And when I did leave, I finished this side and I started on this side, but I'm gonna finish the rest on camera. And you see how this one is like already kind of dropping? That's what I mean. Like, it doesn't really hold the curl or wave in this case as it should, but I still like the hair. Like, I really do still like it, and I feel like it has a natural shine to it. I don't feel like you need to add a lot of product to it. It doesn't really tangle and knot up. Like, sometimes, like when I take my wig off, it is like a little tangle like in the back, like the nape area, but it brushes right out. And like I said, it's minimum shedding. So all in all, if you're looking for some affordable hair, I would definitely check them out. It's very affordable, and shipping was super quick, like 3 days, maybe 2 days. We're just gonna say 3 just to say it. A tip that I would do is I would order all the same length. So I would order, if I'm ordering all 20, if I want to order 20-inch, I will order all my bundles 20-inch, and that will help with the thin ends that I experienced, since I did order, well, I ordered 2 24s and a 22. And you guys, the hair came longer than expected, so I really got like a, the crimper is off now. Wow. So I believe I was talking about how the hair came longer than what I ordered. So I ordered 2 24s, a 22 and a 20-inch closure, and an 18-inch closure, and they gave me like a 26, 24, and I think a 22, and the closure was a 22 as well. I did add layers to the front, so the closure isn't as long anymore, but that's because I cut it. I like the hair. I'm not mad because it takes time to make wigs, so I was so scared. I was so skeptical because I'm like, oh my god, like I made this wig and it don't come out right. I can't even wear it, but I look like this has become my throw on wig, my errand wig. Like if I'm just finna run to Walmart, run down the street, this is the wig I throw on because it's just so convenient. I don't have to do much to it. I can just throw it on and go. I'm trying to make sure I touch bases on everything. The communication with the seller was great. Every time I asked a question or had a concern or anything, they answered it without a problem. Of course, it's a little bit of a time difference between the US and China, so it did take, you know, a few hours for them to respond, but they always responded. It was shipped through FedEx, and I did have to sign for my package, so I like that as well. But the cons was the thin ends and the flyaways, which, like I say, flyaways aren't necessarily a bad thing. It's just sometimes, you know, it's not as appealing as, you know, hair with no flyaways, which all hair is probably going to have some flyaways, but doesn't tangle uncontrollably. And like I say, more than anything, for the price, $128, that's unbeatable. Honestly, that's really unbeatable. So all the links will be in the description bar. The price will be in the description bar. The links to the exact hair I got and to their store will be in the description bar. Everything will be in the description bar. And I hope I answered all the questions, because you guys had questions or whatever about the hair in the last video, and I told you guys there will be an updated video, and this is it. So hopefully I answered everything and you learned how to crimp your hair while me answering all your questions. But that's it. I'm just going to finish crimping my hair, and then I will come back and close out this video. Guys, y'all, so I'm finished like waving the hair, and this is the exact look that I wanted. Like, I just wanted something really flowy, not with a lot of product at all, like just something really flowy with like a soft wave. And this is what I got. And let me show you where the hair stops at now. It stops like right here, and it's really thick and full looking, and it's just like really pretty. So the hair does curl, it does curl, but it's not the hair that's going to hold those tight wand curls or tight pin curls, which is okay, you know, as long as I can get, you know, something, I'm fine with that, honestly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this gave you a more in-depth review on the hair, and maybe you go out and purchase you some. I definitely think they're a great company to purchase from. In a world full of scamming behind Chinese people, you can trust these. You can trust these people, because I got the hair. It's good. I like it. Like, girl. And I didn't add no oil sheen. I haven't added nothing. Like, this is the hair. Like, girl, get you some. Get you some, boo. Get you some. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you check in the description bar for the crimping iron I used and the links to all the store information. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.